Grow raspberries, like a pro, your complete home guide. Tired of paying high prices for bland, store-bought raspberries? Imagine plucking juicy, sun-ripened berries straight from your own garden. This video will show you exactly how to grow raspberries at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Not all raspberries are created equal. Selecting the right variety for your climate and space is crucial for success. Consider your local weather conditions and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. There are two main types, summer-bearing and ever-bearing, also called fall-bearing. Summer-bearing raspberries produce one large crop in early to mid-summer. Ever-bearing varieties produce a smaller crop in the summer and a larger one in the fall. For beginners, ever-bearing varieties are often recommended because they are easier to manage. Popular choices include Heritage and Autumn Bliss. Research which varieties thrive in your specific region for the best results. Raspberries need plenty of sunshine and well-drained soil. Choose a location that receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Avoid areas where water tends to pool after rain. Before planting, amend the soil with plenty of organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure. This will improve drainage, fertility, and water retention. A slightly acidic soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8 is ideal. Consider a raised bed if your soil is heavy clay or poorly drained. This will help prevent root rot and ensure healthy growth. Proper soil preparation is key to a thriving raspberry patch. The best time to plant raspberries is in early spring or late fall. Space the canes about 2-3 feet apart in rows that are 8-10 feet apart. This allows for adequate air circulation and sunlight penetration. Dig a hole that is wide enough to accommodate the root ball and deep enough so that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen any circling roots. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, gently firming it around the base of the plant. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and encourage root growth. Mulch around the plants with straw or wood chips to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Raspberries can become quite tall and sprawling, so providing support is essential. A simple trellis system can be constructed using posts and wires. This will keep the canes upright and prevent them from falling over. Pruning is also crucial for maintaining healthy plants and maximizing fruit production. Summer-bearing raspberries should be pruned immediately after harvest. Cut out the canes that fruited down to the ground. Ever-bearing raspberries can be pruned in two ways. For a single, larger fall crop, cut all the canes down to the ground in late winter or early spring. For two crops, a smaller summer crop and a larger fall crop, prune only the top portion of the canes that fruited in the fall. Raspberries need consistent moisture, especially during fruit development. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal diseases. Fertilize your raspberry plants in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to excessive vegetative growth and reduced fruit production. A soil test can help you determine the specific nutrient needs of your plants. Amend the soil as needed based on the test results. Healthy soil equals healthy plants and delicious berries. Raspberries can be susceptible to various pests and diseases. Monitor your plants regularly for signs of trouble. Common pests include aphids, spider mites, and Japanese beetles. Diseases such as cane blight and root rot can also affect raspberries. Practice good sanitation by removing any dead or diseased canes. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Consider using organic pest control methods, such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. For severe infestations or diseases, consult with your local agricultural extension office for recommendations. Early detection and treatment are key to preventing serious problems. The moment you've been waiting for, raspberries are typically ready to harvest when they are plump, juicy, and easily detached from the stem. Gently pull the berries from the plant, being careful not to crush them. Harvest your raspberries regularly as they ripen quickly. Store them in the refrigerator for up to a few days. Enjoy them fresh or use them in jams, pies, smoothies, and other delicious recipes. Growing your own raspberries is a rewarding experience that provides you with fresh, healthy fruit. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year after year. Now that you know how to grow raspberries at home, it's time to get started. Don't wait any longer to enjoy the taste of homegrown berries. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family who love gardening. Let's grow together.